Hey guys, this is Kousik and you are watching Drag and Drop YouTube channel. Welcome to our channel. In the previous video, I told you to bring the result of 60 plus 40 as output. Did you try it? Today, let's explain different steps to do it, and I will show another new concept today. So, keep watching. Don't skip the video to learn properly. In the previous video, I got a question from the beginners that why semicolon is used after any statement. Today, I will also explain this. So, let's start today's video without any further delay. Please comment below and share your valuable feedback with me so that the channel can be improved more and more. Keep watching. So first of all, we will start explaining the previous video's question. So the question was why semicolon is used after every statement. Actually, I previously told you that Java interpreter or JVM, Java Virtual Machine, what does it do? JVM executes our program line by line. That means the program will be executed line after line by JVM. So to end a statement, we have to use a semicolon. Otherwise, JVM will not be able to understand what statement is ending and what statement is not ending. Okay, so what can we write? To end any statement, we use semicolon so that JVM can understand which statement is ending, and after that which statement will be executed. Okay, so you can write because JVM executes any Java program line by line. So without using semicolon, JVM would not be able to understand which statement is ending and after any statement which statement is starting. Okay, so now let's start with previous day's question. Previous day's question was, what is previous day's question? To bring the output of 60 plus 40. We all know the output will be 100. Okay, let's try it with Java program. Okay, so what will we do? We will go to we will just double click on bluej, and bluej is opening at our system. Here it is. Bluej has opened. So the our previous day's project tech tutorial, we are working on tech tutorial project. Okay, so now what will we do? We are creating a new class. Okay, so you can give any name of your choice. We are giving sum and click OK. So it has been created. So just double click on it. Here in the quoted section, you can write your name or what you want to do with this program, and you can also put here the date. So we are writing that sum of 60 and 40. Okay, sum of 60 and 40. Also giving my name. Okay, and also giving the date. Today's date is 22nd July 2022. Okay, don't forget to quote these parts by starting with slash star and ending with star slash. Okay, this is not a part of the program. We are just giving it so that we can understand later that what is the main motto of this program, who has written this program, and what date the program was written. So to understand these things, just we can write this part to understand the program more properly. Okay, you may add it or you may not add it. Okay, it's not a mandatory part. So what is the mandatory part? The mandatory part is the main. So we will just omit this part. What will we write here? We will write the main method. From the static void main, and in bracket there will be string args, and you can see the string is starting with a capital letter S. Okay, because I previously told you that Java editor is case sensitive, so we are starting a curly brace and we will end it also, and the body of the main method will be within these two curly braces. Okay, so we are just wanting the sum of 60 and 40. So what will we do? We will just write here system.out.print. So sum, we want the summation sum equal to, and what is the value we want here? The value we want here is 60 plus 40. So to pass any value, we just use plus. Okay, and then we will write in first bracket 60 plus 40. We are passing 60 plus 40 after sum. After sum equal to, the value of 60 plus 40 will be passed. Okay, so let's first compile it. We are compiling it, and it is showing no syntax error. Okay, so how to run it? After compiling, you all know that it is saved, so we can close it. We are closing it, and we will go to the class name, right click on it, and we will go to the void main string answer. Okay, just click on it, and here click on OK. We will get the answer, sum equal to 100. So the output is done. So before closing the output section, just clear the output, so that again we run any program, the previous output does not come. Okay, so just clear the screen. So it is coming sum equal to 60 plus 40, 100 is passing here. Okay, so we can write more precisely here that sum of 60 plus 40 is the quoted part here, the double quoted part. This double quoted portion is the constant part. This part is constant, but this value we can pass anything over here. Okay, we can write 100 plus 10. Okay, first compile, no syntax error. We will go to sum, right click on void main string args, then click OK, and you can see the output is coming like this. Sum of 60 plus 40 is 100. Okay, so just clear it and close it. Now we will show a different process. Okay, now we will have to know what is variable. It is a different concept. Okay, what is a variable? Variable means, variable is through which you can pass any value into a Java program. Is it clear? So we will do the same program using variable. Okay, the same program will be done using a variable. So how to do it? Let's again go to the bluej. We previously wrote it, so just omit it. Now we will use variable. So there are different types of variable. Okay, so presently as 60 and 40 both are numbers, and these are whole number. So for a whole number we use the variable type integer. Okay, for whole number we use variable type integer. For whole number we use
variable type int. Okay, there are different types of variables. Okay, and one more point for fractional number. Fractional number, we use variable type double. Okay. Okay, is it clear? So for whole number we are using int, and for fractional number we are using double. Okay, so let's explain this program with variable. So go to the bluej. So we will declare a variable int a. Okay, and what is the value of a? The value of a is 60. So we are passing 60 within a variable. Okay, int a equal to 60, comma, and we are passing value of 40 within another variable. So we are passing 40 into b. Both are integer, means whole number. So we are using int a equal to 60, b equal to 40. We are just passing 60 and 40 into two different variables. Take another variable c, into which I will bring the output of 60 plus 40. So what to do with c? We will just write c equal to a plus b. So what c is containing? C is containing the summation of a and b. C is containing the result of the summation. So what to print now? System.out.print. What we will print? We will just print sum of 60 plus 40 is equal to, we will pass any value. What we use is plus, and which value will be passed? The value of c will be passed, because within c the value of a plus b is stored. Okay, so we are passing the value of c, and we will end this statement using semicolon. Okay, let's compile it. It is showing no syntax error. Close. Again go to our program, right click on it, click on void main string args, click on OK, and it will show sum of 60 plus 40 equal to 100. Okay, so we will just clear it and close it. So is it clear to you? Okay, next we will proceed to some different process. Suppose you want to input 2 or 3 numbers. Okay, and you just want the summation of that 2 or 3 numbers. In this case 60 and 40 is predefined, but now I am asking you that we are providing any number of our choice. We want to provide any number of choice, and Java interpreter will provide the output on the basis of our chosen number. So in that case we will have to do it differently. What will we do? In that case we will have to import java.util.star. Star means all. Let's explain this part. We will call it, it is a very important topic, Java user input. That means you want to input any number and your output will come on the basis of your chosen number. Okay, so Java user input, very important topic. So what to do? So, and you can see at our program, I am using at the beginning of my program that import java.util.star. What does it do? So let's understand this. Import means we are importing something. We are importing something to our program. Okay. So what can we write? Import means we are importing something into our program. Okay, so what we are importing here? We are importing here java.util.star. So what is the meaning of it? Java.util.star. We are importing this part. Okay, so the meaning of it is util means utility package. Okay, utility package. There are so many useful classes within this utility package. Okay, so we are importing this utility package from Java. Okay, So we are importing this utility package from Java. From utility package, what we are importing? We are importing star. Star means all. Star means all. So what is the meaning of this full sentence? Import java.util.star means we are importing all classes from the utility package of Java. Okay. So what we can write here? The meaning of this is very important topic. We are importing all classes. All classes. All means star. All classes from the utility package. From the utility package. Of Java. Okay. So we are importing all classes from the utility package of Java. It will be needed for a user input program. Okay. So within public static void main, within the main method, we have to write. We will have to take three variables, int a, comma b, comma c. Int a and b will read the input. Okay. And int c will store the output. Here we will have to use a class, that is scanner, and we will create an instance of this class, scanner s. This name you can use anything of your choice except this variable names. Okay. Scanner is equal to new scanner, and there in bracket for any input we have to use system.in, means you are providing a input. Okay, you are providing an input into the object S, and this object is under the class or under the class name scanner. So we are using the scanner class from the utility package. We are importing the scanner class. We are importing the scanner class from the utility package. We are importing scanner class from the utility package, and S is the object of that class. S is the, actually Java is a object oriented program. Okay, so we are importing the class from the utility package and we are creating an object of it. Okay, so S is the object of the scanner class. Object of scanner class. Okay, and new scanner is the object declaration, and system.in means we are providing a input, because it is a user input program. So we are providing an input. Okay, we are providing an input through an input variable. Okay, so is it clear? This part is also case sensitive. Scanner is written in capital letter S, and system is also starting with the capital letter S. So as I told you earlier that Java editor is case sensitive. Okay, so you can also see here. So let's move to our program. So we have created an object of scanner class which has been imported from the utility package. So now you can understand why this sentence has been written. This sentence has been written because we are using a class of utility package. Okay, so we have to first import that package. Otherwise, we can never use this class, this scanner class. Okay, so we have created our object S. So here we will provide our input message. What will be our input message? System.out.println. The input message will be enter first number. Okay, And where the first number will be saved? The first number will be saved within the a variable. So what will we write? A equal to s dot, s is the object, and s dot next int. You can see it is also a case sensitive. So what is the meaning of this line? Let's check it out. A equal to s dot next int. What does it mean? Next int will read the user inputted value, okay, in the integer form. Next int will read the user inputted integer value, okay. So it will be stored within the variable a, okay. It will be stored in the variable a. So we are storing the user inputted integer, first user inputted integer value within a variable, and second user inputted value will be stored in b. So we just copy it and we are writing enter second number. It will be our input message, and which will be read by this next int method. And here I will write b, because the value of second inputted number will be entered into the b variable. So we have inputted both the integers, and now within c we will show the summation of a plus b. We have taken the first inputted number into a, and we have taken the second inputted number within b. So we are just adding a and b and passing the summation of a and b into c. The final print, which will print our output, system.out.println summation of these numbers equal to, what will be our answer? Our summation value is already stored in c, so we will have to just pass c. So it has been written plus c. We will just end it with a semicolon. Let's compile it. It is showing no syntax error. Just close it. Go to our class, right click on it, click on void main stringers, click OK. And now what is showing here? It is showing to input the first number, enter first number. You can enter any number, any integer you can enter. So we are entering here 60. Okay. It has taken 60. So 60 has been passed in the a variable. Okay. And it is asking for the second number. So you can provide any number of your choice. I am providing 40. Press enter. So you can see the output has come. So I have passed 40 into b variable, and it has already calculated c by adding a and b. So the value of c has been 100. Okay. So in this way we can provide any user inputted value and find the output of any operations of our choice. One more point I will mention here, that we are using import java.util.star. Star means all classes within the utility package, but we are here using only scanner class from the utility package. So we can write here only scanner. Okay, you can write here star, or you can write here scanner also. Both will do the same job, because we are only importing the scanner class from the utility package. So you can import all classes, or you can just import scanner class. So what will we do? We will just compile it. It is showing no syntax error. Close it, and you will get the same output. Enter first number of your choice. You can provide 20. Okay. Enter second number. Provide 200. And you can see the summation is coming 120. Okay. So you can write, just clear it and close it. You can write java.util.scanner also, because we are only importing the scanner class. Okay. So as we are only importing the scanner class, you can also write import java.util.scanner. You can also write it. So today I tried to explain you a simple summation in different process at your own system. You will just try to bring the output of any fractional number what I told you today, that for fractional number we have to use double. The variable type will be double, and all the other formats will be same. So you just try at your own system how to add or subtract anything you can try within two fractional numbers. Try at home sum of 65.5 plus 34.5. Okay. You just try it at your home, and we will come soon with a new video and with a new topic.
We will not make our video more lengthy, so ending here today.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay in touch. Don't forget to pass your valuable comment and feedback in our comment section. Thank you. Wait for the next video.